Hey yo, what's up, guys? Good evening, everyone. Hello, Bro Wandi. Hello, Bro Rich. Bro Enda. Hello, Sis Jessica. Sis Nia. Sis Lydia. And Sis Jasmine. You
Halo
guys,
juga.
welcome back to the class. Okay. Well, Bro Wandi, how is it going? You good, Bro Wandi?
I'm doing fine. In
Oh,
the
so
day I do the walking.
you
So
just
just good
yeah,
lah.
you just had a working today. So how was your working?
Yes,
It
I
runs
have
well.
walking today from morning until the evening.
Oh my God. So
Yes.
let's keep going with Wandi. Oke. Teman-teman, soal Bro Vicky putus-putus atau delay gitu nggak? Atau jelas? Gimana?
Aman-aman, bro.
Aman ya? Oke. So good everyone. Oke
Aman,
guys,
aman,
so
aman. Dan
wow.
jelas.
Teman-teman, kita buka kelasnya sambil nunggu teman-teman yang lain. Hold on, wait a second. So you guys, good evening. Welcome back to our class again with Speaking Partner. We are the best partner.
Best.
What's
Master.
password?
Smart.
Thank you so
Bye.
much, everyone. So, wow, guys, before we start the class, I just want to say welcome to the new class. Welcome to Intermediate 1, and we're going to have a lot of topics today, learning about anything, especially grammar. We are in Intermediate 1. We are not in Basic anymore, so it's gonna be different. In the basic 1 and basic 2, we just learn about speaking, and that's okay to make mistakes. Just be brave, and you can speak a lot.
Oh.
But in this part, in this class, we need to speak English by the correct one, the correct grammar explanations. Okay, that's the point, everyone. Okay, so I hope everyone can enjoy the class and learning grammar for speaking, and we have a reading. Yang kedua kita ada reading ya guys ya, membaca. Okay, so that's the point, everyone. Okay, well guys, and we are in a regular class. Kita kelasnya kelas reguler. So it's the same like we had in the class previously. Ya guys ya, sama di kelas sebelumnya di basic 2. Kita bakal kelas mulai besok ya, intermediate 1 ini kita akan ada breakout room juga. So 30 minutes. We just have normal conversation and learning in the main room, and the other time teman-teman just use it, or maybe kita breakout room. Itu teman-teman seperti biasanya have it. Okay, so the next case we are going to open it. Okay, so start from the first. Bro Vicky sambil ini ya absensi teman-teman. The first we have bro is the first one. Oh, I'm with Brazil here. Brazil, is that you?
I'm here.
Yeah.
Here.
Okay. Oh my God, Brazil, you moved in this evening. What happened with you?
Oh my God. Actually, I just come back in Malang City actually, bro.
Oh, you are
So
in Malang right now.
yeah.
Great, bro. Okay, so this is close. Come on, bro. Just go to Surabaya. It's
Of
nice though.
course.
Okay. Wow. And you just joined the class evening. So great,
Yeah,
Brazil.
class evening. Because in the morning I have a lot of activities, so that's why I cannot join in the
Mm.
morning actually.
Oh, that's great. So that's why you have a class and you join this class in intermediate 1. Great, Brazil. Nice to meet you again,
Yeah,
Brazil.
because I think
Hmm?
so a long time I didn't practice my English, and then
Oh,
I lose many vocabulary. I need to remind again about the rules of
oh,
grammar or something like that.
that's a great, Brazil. Glad to meet you again. Come here. Nice. Okay. So is it free for you, Brazil? Okay. Nice. That's nice. Okay. Thank you so much, Brazil. And
Thank
we have okay. Cecilia, how is it going? You good, Cecilia?
Hello, good
Mhm.
evening.
Good evening.
Bro.
You good?
Alhamdulillah, not so bad.
Alhamdulillah. That's great. That's
How
great.
about you?
Oh, it's a really, really nice day. Monday is a tough day. Okay. So, but I love it.
Yeah.
That's great. Thank you so much for asking, Cecilia. Okay.
Welcome.
Wow. Bro Jesus, hello, Bro Jesus. You right?
Hello, I'm
Uh,
good today.
Okay. Are you still working this time?
Yeah, working,
Oh my
still
God, bro.
working.
Okay. Take care, bro. Take your
Thank
time.
you.
Yeah, thank you for coming this time. Nice. Okay. Bro Enda! Hello, Bro Enda!
Halo bro,
Okay, where are you, bro? It's like a chill out. Kayak lagi
I'm
nyantuy banget nih.
I'm at home bro.
You are at home right now. Okay. Where are you? Is it outside?
No, in my room.
In your room. Okay, great, Bro
Room
Enda.
and my children too.
Oh, sure. Okay, that's good. Okay. Wow, Bro Enda, I love it. Okay. You need to take care of your children though.
Yes,
Okay. What's up, bro? Is everything okay?
yes, that's everything okay.
Really cool, Bro Enda. Nice. Okay. What about Bro Rich? Hello, Bro Rich.
Yeah, hello.
Hello. What's up, bro?
I'm good. I'm good.
That's great. How was your Monday? It's a nice day.
Yeah, it's first day in a new company.
Oh, sure. So
Yeah.
what are you feeling? What do you feel? Is it
Yeah.
nice?
I think nice for
Uh,
today.
That's great, Barrett. So I hope everything is gonna be alright, Barrett.
Yeah.
Enjoy your day for the new
Okay,
place.
thank you.
That's great. Okay, what about you, sis Jessica? It has been a while. Is everything okay, sis Jessica?
Hello, bro.
Yeah.
Not too bad, but I'm feeling a bit under the weather this
Oh my
day.
God, I'm so sorry to
The
hear
weather
that.
here has been so unpredictable.
Oh,
It's
yes, it's like
cloudy by
changeable
noon,
time.
then it
Mhm.
start raining and gets really cold.
Oh, sure. Have you taken medicine?
Yes.
Yes, tolak
Ah,
angin.
tolak angin. Tolak anginnya. Bablas anginnya. Thank you so much, Sis Jessica. It's really
Thank you,
great,
bro.
Okay, Sis Nia. What's up, sis? You great? Nia?
Hello, bro.
Yeah.
Vicky.
Yeah.
Good
How are you today,
evening.
Sis Nia? Good evening.
Today I'm very well.
Oh, sounds great. Okay. So, how is the weather in your place? Is it cloudy?
Uh,
It's like rainy?
no.
No.
Today, cloudy.
But it's a
Uh,
cloudy. Oh, it's the
yes.
same here. Since it's a cloudy. Nice, sis Nia. Thank you so much. Okay. Sis Lydia! What's up, sis?
Hello, bro. Good evening.
Good evening. How is it going?
Hello,
You
bro.
good? Yeah, hello, sis Lydia. You
Yeah.
okay?
Okay.
Sis Lydia,
Okay.
you're
Yes.
okay though. How was your Monday? Is it a great day?
Busy day.
It's a busy day. Monday is it
Yeah.
must be busy day. But you
A
get
lot,
through the day.
a lot activity in my school.
Oh, I see. But that's all right. Okay, so you have finished it, and that's great, Sis Lydia. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you,
Wow,
bro.
nice. Most welcome. Bro, I still have oh, that's okay, Sis Aima. Take your time. Santuy, Sis Aima. Okay, what's this? Jasmine, hello, good evening. Jasmine,
Hello, good evening.
hello.
Hello,
What's up,
good
sis?
evening. Good evening. Yeah.
Hello. Okay. Well, it has been
Hello.
a while, and finally we can meet again. Great. And how is it going? Is everything okay, Sis Jasmine?
I'm always okay. How are you? How about you?
Pretty great today, Sis Jasmine. It's really nice Monday. Thank you for asking, Sis Jasmine. How is the weather in your place? Are you still in what is Taiwan? Hong Kong, I mean.
No.
Okay,
Yes.
sorry, I forgot. Yeah. Sure.
Forget. Oh
Yeah,
my God, you forget.
that's great. Okay, so I think you have finished your lecture in Hong Kong, but you're still over there. Wow,
Huh?
great.
7 months again. Maybe
7 months
7
again.
months.
Wow,
Yeah,
you're
and then
still learning over there.
December I will go back to Indonesia.
Oh, that's a crazy, Jasmine. Glad to hear that. Glad to meet you guys, Jasmine. That's nice. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, what about Sis Nazila? Wow.
Hello,
Okay,
Bro Vic.
we have
Finally,
the
I'm back
doctor
in your
here.
class.
Yeah, that's a great. It has been a while too. Sis Nazila, how is it
Yeah.
going? You good,
I
Nazila?
I just go to my campus
Mhm.
and then
Okay.
doing
What? What?
practice in laboratory. Yeah.
Oh, that's a good one. So as a dentist, so you must do it. Keep going.
Yeah.
That's great.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you for joining class again, Sis Nazila. Great to meet you. Hopefully. Okay. And we have Bro Solehan. Hello, Bro Solehan.
Hello, bro.
Okay. You
Good
good, Bro Solehan?
evening.
Good evening. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Is
Uh,
everything okay, Bro Solehan?
yeah, it's okay, bro. Now I'm with my children at home, bro. My wife in Java because my son is
Ah.
sick, bro.
Oh, I see now. Okay. So I hope your son will recover soon, Bro Solehan. Okay. Just
Yeah,
take
it's
care of your son.
it's
Okay.
get well soon, bro. It's okay.
Yes. That's great. Nice to hear that. Your wife in Java?
Because my son is sick, so he come to visit my son, bro.
Oh,
No,
sure.
I with my children in here. I
Oh,
have 3 children, two
oh,
children at
sure. Okay,
home,
okay.
and one in Java for
Studying.
at school studying at
Okay. University?
pesantren, bro. Yeah,
Oh,
pesantren, bro.
Islamic boarding school.
Yeah,
Oh,
Islamic
I
boarding school,
see.
bro.
Oh, I see, bro. So that's great, bro. Solehan. Take care. Your children at home, bro. Okay, nice.
Thank you.
Sure. Okay. And Sis Manzo. Hello, Sis Manzo.
Hello, Bro Vic. Good evening.
Good evening. Quite to meet you again. What's up? It's good?
I have had a cold and high
Oh
fever
my
for
gosh.
days. I'm
What?
still feeling unwell, bro,
Oh
with a
my gosh,
headache.
sis. Hey, anyway, what did you do? It's like going to the gym again? Okay. Well, Miss Aima? Sis Aima, Sis Manzo?
Manzo,
So
okay.
I hope you will get recovery soon, Sis Manzo, yeah? Take care.
Thank you, bro.
Okay,
Yeah.
and thank you for coming this class. That's good.
Thank you, bro.
Okay. And we have Bro Noor. Hello, Bro Noor.
Hello,
It's been a
bro.
while. We meet again. Are you okay?
Okay. I
Oh,
fine.
that's okay. You're fine. So wow, bro. And finally, we meet again, Bruno. Okay. Hold on. Sisling kemana Sisling? Nanti ada. Sisling kayaknya hari ini masih main padel, bro. Aman ya. Habis ini kayaknya nanti nih. Dateng nih. Lihat tuh nanti. Sisling, habis kemana? Main padel gitu. Sisling, where have you been?
Kok tahu?
Kok tahu? Itu tadi Sis Boris nyariin tadi Sisling. Oke. Alright. Aduh, iya, artinya kangen gitu. Oh my god. Okay. Well, great, guys. Oh, apa tuh? Okay. Well, okay, guys. I think that's it, everyone. Yeah, our topic today, and we have it. And by the way, guys, today's the first day. Hari pertama kita langsung grammar ya, teman-teman. Okay. And hold on. Di sini ada Sis Manzo. Ada Sis Manzo. We have Bruno. Okay. And we have Sis Ling. Okay, so guys, this is our class, everyone. Udah perlu fikir data semua ya. Okay, and the first day, we're going to have the new topic. Okay, and before we jump, to make it relax, teman-teman, remember, when we talk about the grammar, remember our hashtag. Apa guys? Grammar? Grammar is? What, guys? Masih ingat hashtagnya? Grammar is?
Fun.
Fun. Remember that, guys. Oh iya, Bro Vicky lupa ya. Oh, teman-teman, Bro Vicky lupa kasih hashtagnya. Ingat, guys, kita kan belajar grammar nih, guys ya. Kita belajar grammar. Kalau kita belajar grammar, teman-teman, ingat-ingat aja. Jangan merasa kayak, aduh, grammar itu susah banget, Bro Vic. Ini pasti kita pusing nih. Guys, remember the hashtag. Ingat-ingat hashtag kita nih, guys ya. Just be positive thinking. Remember hashtagnya, grammar is fun. Remember that one. Grammar is fun. Itu hashtagnya ya, teman-teman. Okay. You see, grammar is fun. Grammar itu asik, guys. Okay.
Grammar is fun.
Yeah, just say grammar is fun. Sorry, typo. Grammar is fun. Grammar itu asik, guys. Grammar is fun. Remember that. Kalau kita belajar grammar, ingat-ingat aja hashtagnya grammar is fun. Okay, grammar itu asik. That's the point for this time. And today we have this topic, adjective, okay, and preposition. Yes. If you still remember everyone, adjective itu apa sih guys? Apa nih adjective? Kata apa? Sis, Lydia?
Kata
Kata
sifat.
sifat.
Kata sifat. Iya. Adjective itu kata sifat. Kalau preposition kata?
Depan.
Kata depan. You're right, guys. This is adjective and preposition. Kita akan belajar, guys, ketika adjective digabungin preposition itu kayak gimana cara memakainya dan kayak apa aja. So, we need to learn it. Kalau dulu di kelas sebelumnya, Bro V kasih ketika teman-teman ketemu sama adjective, ketemu sama verb kan kasih to nih. Saya tertarik menonton TV. I'm interested to watch TV. Kan dulu kayak gitu, teman-teman ya. Saya mudah mencintaimu, Prat, gitu guys ya. So, I'm easy to love you. Nanti gimana? Apakah kayak gitu terus patternnya? So, we have it. Kita sebut adjective diikuti preposition. Oke. Nah, pelan-pelan teman-teman ya. Oke, remember grammar is fun. Our topic. Look at this one. Rufi kasih contoh nih, guys. Rufi kita show dulu. Look at this one. Sorry, not that one. Kita artikan dulu nih, guys. Look at this example to see how adjective are used with preposition. I'm interested in the idea. Artinya apa, guys? Saya tertarik dengan ide. Iya. Interested ini itu adjective. Nah, in itu preposition. Preposition itu banyak, guys. Ada in, on, at gitu, guys ya. Ya, in, on, at, ada under, of, ya, guys ya. Ada about, at, for, in. Oh, banyak ya. Itu, guys ya. Kayak di samping, di belakang, di dalam, di luar itu juga preposition. Banyak banget preposition itu. Oke, karena artinya adalah ya kata depan. Nah, itu digabungin, guys, adjective dan preposition dalam satu kalimat itu gimana penggunaan fungsinya. So, contohnya I'm interested in the idea. Saya tertarik ide itu. Dengan ide. Next, guys, my jacket is similar to yours. Artinya jaket saya sama ya dengan punyamu. Similar to yours. Nah, the common mistake, teman-teman, kalau kita pasti bilang jaket saya sama denganmu, dengan milik punyamu, biasanya kita pakai gini. My jacket is similar with yours, gitu kan. Pasti kita pakainya with gitu kan, teman-teman, kalau mau bilang dengan. So actually, we have a rules. Pakainya similar to. Kenapa pakai to di sini? Nah, nggak pakai with. Padahal kan dengan ya artinya. Kita bahas nanti. Lanjut nih. She's brilliant at maths.
Nilai matematikanya
dia matematika. Di matematika. Kenapa kita nggak bilang she's brilliant in math? Kok malah pakai at? Nah, so that's it. Lanjut, guys. My neighbor is angry about the party. Artinya apa nih?
Tetangga saya
marah
dengan
Saya
pesta.
marah ketika saya dapat
Ya, marah. Kita ada pesta party gitu, guys ya. Tangganya marah gitu. Karena nggak diajak maybe. I don't know.
Bilang bos.
Okay.
Maybe.
Bilang. That's it, everyone. My neighbor is angry about the party. Nah, interested, similar, brilliant, angry itu adalah adjective. Semuanya diikuti preposition. Nah, gimana sih cara menentukan in, to, at, about, bahkan ada of juga, ada for juga nanti. So, let's break down it. So, here we go. Kita fokus ya, teman-teman. Ingat, yes, grammar is fun. Make it fun. Okay? And here we go. Langsung aja, guys, ke materinya. Okay. So, this one. Some adjective go with certain preposition. Beberapa adjektif itu diikuti sama kata depan gitu guys ya. Ya kayak tadi contohnya. There are no grammatical rules for which preposition is used with adjective. Gak ada aturannya. Kita mau gak mau memang harus seperti itu. Malah enak tuh guys. But we need to remember that if you want to memorize, that's okay. So it's a good idea to try to learn them together. To help you do this, write new vocabulary in your notebook in a sentence or phrase. Ingat teman-teman, kita harus siap-siap kertas buku untuk menulis sesuatu informasi penting. Modul sama PPT Bro Vicky untuk belajar sama. Bedanya ya ada beberapa yang beda aja. Nah, yang beda itu tambah-tambah dari Bro Vicky atau mungkin sesuatu yang teman-teman lebih mudah untuk memahami, you can make it. Okay. However, there are some patterns that can help you. Meskipun guys, tadi kan adjektif memang dari pabriknya sono, itu sudah diikuti preposition itu. Mau nggak mau kita harus dihafalin nanti. Diingat, dipakai. Tapi ada beberapa yang mempunyai pattern. Ya guys, cara aturan sendiri yang bisa membantu kita untuk penggunaannya, fungsinya sendiri. Look at them. Let's look at them first. Remember, teman-teman, ingat nih guys, poinnya nih. Preposition tadi, teman-teman, preposition tadi itu harus diikuti adjective preposition tadi diikuti sama noun or gerund, kata benda atau gerund. Gerund itu sama ya. Gerund itu verb ing, teman-teman. Oke. Teman-teman yang masih atau lupa gerund, ini kita ada ya. Verb itu kata kerja. Verb itu kata kerja. Contohnya cook, masak. Ya guys ya. Verb kata kerja cook ini bisa diubah menjadi gerund yang berupa gerund itu adalah noun guys. Oke. Itu noun. Ya guys ya. Berbentuk kayak nominal, kayak kata benda dengan diubah atau ditambah verb ing, cooking, masak gitu guys ya. Oke, asalnya gerund itu dari verb juga tambah ing. Tapi sifatnya berubah, bukan verb lagi, bukan verb ing di present continuous ya. I am cooking itu bukan, tapi sifatnya berubah menjadi noun, kata benda. As a noun. Gitu guys. Oke, itu gerund teman-teman. Nah, in this part, kayak tadi Bro Vicky kasih contoh di awal tadi. Look at this one. Oke. Oh, ini nggak ada ya? Oh, ya nggak ada, guys. Ini noun semua. Kayak gini, guys. I'm interested in the idea, noun. My jacket is similar to yours, noun. Math, noun. The party, noun. Nah, kalau verb, nih guys. Misal nih, saya tertarik memasak. Saya tertarik nih memasak. Saya tertarik nonton film. Nah, gimana cara bilangnya, guys? I'm
interested.
Ya, interested.
Okay,
Nah,
movie.
ada ing-nya. I'm interested in. Harus setelah ini harus nggak boleh watch. Nggak boleh watch pakainya gerund yaitu verb ing. Watching movie. Iya, atau film. That's one. Itu guys. Oke. Setelah preposition ini harus bentuknya gerund. Watching. Nggak boleh kita I'm interested in. Watch film. No. Harus verb ing atau kita sebut tadi gerund. Sifatnya sama. Noun. Kata benda. Itu. Correct? Itu poinnya yang pertama ya. Oke, ingat-ingat aja. Nah, kita fokus ke interested, fokus ke adjective dan preposition. Look at this. Ada banyak teman-teman di sini. Oke, so the lesson, let's figure it out. Look at that. Sudah tadi ya. Nih, yang pertama guys, adjective, kata sifat tadi, diikuti sama at. Kapan sih diikuti sama at itu? Kapan tuh? Nih guys, rules-nya. We have rules. We use at with adjective like good, bad, okay? Hold on. Good, bad, or maybe amazing, or brilliant, or terrible, etc. dan lain-lain. Fungsinya apa? Ini guys poinnya. To talks about skills and abilities. Itu poinnya. Jadi adjektif diikuti sama at, teman-teman. At ya. Itu ketika teman-teman mau jelasin tentang skill atau abilities, kemampuan. Contoh langsung ke contohnya aja atau penggunaan. Nah, kita belajar grammar for speaking. Sudah digunakan nih. Oke. He is, guys, teman-teman yang lagi ngobrol sama orang rumah di mute dulu ya. He is really good at English. Coba perhatikan teman-teman. Di sini ada yang namanya adjektif. Good itu adjektif. Diikuti sama preposition at. Nah, English itu noun. So, he is really good at English. Artinya apa, guys? Dia sangat bagus di dalam bahasa Inggris. Nah, bisa bahasa Inggris itu kan skill. Ya, teman-teman, skill. Bahkan abilities, kemampuan juga. Kalau konteksnya teman-teman mau jelasin tentang skill abilities, itu boleh pakai at, teman-teman. I'm good at English. Kita nggak boleh bilang I'm good in English. No. But good at. Karena konteksnya tadi talks about skills and abilities. Gitu ya. That's one. Lanjut guys. She's amazing at the piano. Dia luar biasa hebat bermain atau piano. Iya. So this time bisa main piano itu juga sebuah skill guys. So that's why kita pakainya she's amazing at the piano. Gak boleh she is amazing in the piano. Gitu. Oke. Lanjut nih. They are terrible at organizing anything. Mereka kayak apa guys? Terrible itu apa?
Buruk.
Kayak buruk, buruk ya guys ya, gak jago atau jelek lah. Mereka buruk dalam mengatur sesuatu, ya, berorganisasi gitu. Itu sebuah skill juga ya, kita bisa berorganisasi dengan baik itu guys. So that's one. Itu menjelaskan skill atau abilities, kita pakainya tetap at. Itu guys. Nah, kalau di sini guys, I'm not very good at drawing. Artinya saya tidak sangat pintar, bagus dalam menggambar. Kita pakainya at juga guys. Meskipun kalimatnya kalimat negatif ya, entah kalimat positif, negatif, interrogatif sama. Kalau konteksnya teman-teman itu bahas tentang skill, abilities, pakainya at. And remember, kita pakainya gerund. Kita nggak boleh guys, teman-teman bilang gini, I'm not very good at draw. Harus gerund. Verb ing tadi. Gitu ya. Got it everyone ya? Oke. Nah, teman-teman kalau mau bilang gini, saya sangat bagus dalam berbicara bahasa Inggris. Gimana guys? I'm very good at speaking English. Ingat, speaking. Ingat, setelah at preposition harus gerund. Verb ing. Ya, remember that one. Kalau ini, saya bagus atau hebat dalam bermain piano. Nah, ini. She is amazing at playing the piano. Iya, gerund playing the piano. Oke. Saya sangat pandai, bagus dalam mencintaimu. Apa guys? Apa guys? Bilangnya I am.
I'm smart.
Pakai good boleh, pakai good aja. I am really good.
I am good
at loving you.
Yeah.
Loving juga
At
harus
loving you.
gerund. Okay, that's good everyone. This is Manzo. I am really good at loving you. Okay. Prat gitu ya. Prat. Oke, iya pasti jawabannya prat nanti. Aduh, lucu. Okay. Pengalaman nih Dorich. Oke. Wow, that's great. Oh iya. Oke. Well, guys everyone, gitu teman-temannya. You got it? Bisa ya? This is guys. Ini intinya untuk jelasin talk about skills and abilities. Teman-teman pakainya at. Aman? Apakah ada pertanyaan ini yang pertama?
Aman, bro.
Aman ya. Oke, lanjut lagi guys. Mudah kan? Easy guys. Remember that one. Lanjut. Ada banyak guys. Hari ini ada yang kedua ada about. About. We often use about with adjective or feelings. Nah, kalau about ini guys ya, itu bentuk adjektifnya itu berupa adjective feeling guys. Adjektif yang bentuknya perasaan. Angry, marah, itu kan perasaan orang nih, marah, ya kan? Excited, excited itu juga perasaan nih. Happy, perasaan juga. Nervous juga perasaan. Sad, perasaan stress. Worried itu perasaan. Yang pertama bentuknya adjektifnya itu harus adjective of feeling, adjektif perasaan. Gitu ya. Beautiful, cantik, handsome, ganteng itu bukan adjektif perasaan, guys. Oke, it's different. Ini intinya adjektif yang nunjukin kata sifat perasaan, adjective of feeling. Gitu guys ya. Contohnya kayak angry, excited, happy, dan teman-temannya banyak sebenarnya guys. Oke. Nah, fungsinya apa? Nih poinnya pentingnya guys. To explain, what is causing that feeling. Nah, jelasin penyebab perasaan tadi timbul gitu guys. Nah, ada penyebabnya. Jelasin what is causing that feeling. Penyebab perasaan tadi timbul. Semisal saya itu marah. Penyebabnya, nah itu apa marah? Itu kita pakainya about. Saya bahagia, I'm happy. Pasti ada penyebab happy-nya karena apa? Penyebabnya itu guys, itu pakainya about. To explain what is causing that feeling. Langsung ke contoh biar enak tergambar. I'm angry about the decision. Artinya saya marah
tentang
karena keputusan. Saya marah dengan keputusanmu. Boleh artikan terserah teman-teman ya, seenak mungkin. I'm angry itu adjektif. Diikuti sama about. Ya guys ya. The decision itu adalah keputusan. Nah, maksudnya to explain what is causing that feeling gimana? Gini guys. Dia kan merasa marah nih, feelingnya marah. Nah, penyebab marah apa guys? Penyebabnya? Keputusannya. Ya, explain what is caused that feeling. Nah, di situ untuk menjelasin penyebab feeling itu muncul. Penyebab marah itu apa? Penyebabnya apa? The decision. Itu maksudnya. Udah tergambar teman-teman? Namanya? Oke, lanjut nih. He's nervous about the presentation. Ya? Gugup, grogi, nervous. Dengan presentasi. Nah, ya, penyebab dia itu nervous itu apa guys? Penyebabnya? Presentasi. Ya, presentasinya itu penyebabnya. So that's why nervous about. Gak boleh. He is nervous in the presentation. Gak boleh pakai in. Pakainya about di situ karena ada explain what is causing that feelings. Itu. Lanjut nih. She's excited about the new job. Excited itu adalah senang, bersemangat banget ya. Tentang atau about the new job dengan pekerjaan baru. Nah, yang menyebabkan dia merasa excited apa guys? New job. That's one. Makanya kita tetap pakai she is excited about the new job. Gak boleh she is excited in the new job. Got it? Lanjut guys. We have they were worried about the exam. Mereka khawatir cemas di ujiannya. Nah, yang menyebabkan perasaan feelings worry itu adalah examnya. Iya, so that's why pakainya about. Oke, got it everyone. Okay. Misalnya guys, teman-teman mau bilang gini nih, saya marah denganmu. Oh, gimana bilangnya guys yang marah dengan
angry
at you. I'm at you atau about nih?
About you.
About. Tetap sama. I'm angry angry
Very
about
you.
you. Kenapa pakai about? Kalau konteksnya di situ artinya itu maksud kita ngomong seperti itu tuh kamu penyebabnya marah. So I'm angry about you.
With you nggak
Oke,
bisa ya?
itu.
Kalau
Apa bro?
With you. I'm angry with you.
Kalau mbak konteksnya itu penyebab, kita konteksnya bisa ingat konteksnya itu explain what is causing that feeling, itu pakainya about. Kalau teman-teman mau bilang ini, saya marah kepadamu, ya udah, I'm angry to you. Gitu. Kalau saya marah sama kamu, ya, I'm angry to you. Konteksnya itu guys. Aman ya teman-teman?
Mana-mana.
Aman. Oke. Kalau teman-teman intinya di sini guys, poinnya di sini. Explain what is causing that feeling. Gitu guys. Aman teman-teman ya semuanya? Bisa?
Kalau pakai mad itu, bro, I'm
Oh
mad
boleh.
at you.
Mad itu lebih parah daripada angry gitu ya. Oke, itu. Very angry, you can say mad. Okay. I'm mad about you. Itu saya marah banget sama kamu. Penyebabnya saya merasa marah itu kamu. Gitu guys. Oke. Kalau teman-teman bilang saya marah kepadamu, I'm mad to you. It's okay. Gitu teman-teman ya. Oke, itu yang with about. Ya guys ya, about. At sudah, about udah, yang selanjutnya ada of. Nah, sometimes, nih guys, kadang-kadang, ini guys, ini yang of dulu ya tadi. However, bagaimanapun guys, kadang-kadang kita menggunakan of ya with feelings. Nah, kalau di sini guys, itu nggak ada ini guys ya, teman-teman nggak ada aturannya, nggak ada aturannya. Itu mau nggak mau kita menghafal. Tadi kan ada dua ya. Adjektif yang memang dari sononya udah ada, teman-teman ada yang ada patternnya kita pelajari tadi, kayak at, about tadi. Kalau with ini juga sama, adjektifnya itu adjective feeling sama guys, tapi kita nggak pakai about. Ini nggak jelasin apa penyebabnya perasaan itu muncul, tapi dari pabriknya sono, dari sananya itu memang afraid, di mana-mana pasti diikuti of. Kita nggak boleh bilang she was afraid about Satan, lebih ghost gitu guys ya. She was afraid about apa guys, ghost gitu guys ya. Dia takut, penyebab takutnya kan setan ya guys ya. Kita nggak boleh pakai she was afraid about, nggak boleh. Paling tepat pakainya of, karena dari sononya afraid itu pasti diikuti of. Nah, kita harus menghafal atau mengingatnya. Selain afraid, ada lagi frightened. Frightened of.
Frightened?
Yeah. Takut juga. Takut. Scared. Itu juga sama. Scared. Itu juga sama teman-temannya. Takut juga artinya. Semuanya harus diikuti sama yang namanya of. Nah, teman-temannya di sini. Nah, this one. So, hold on. Kita hapus dulu. Di sini. He is scared of flying. Oke, guys ya. Harus sama diikuti verb ing semua ya. Kayak tadi. Topiknya noun atau gerund. Terus diikuti. Nggak boleh kita bilang she was afraid of towel. I'm frightened of half. Terus diikuti gerund sama. Nah, selain scared ada proud. Bangga. You should be proud of your progress. Kamu sebaiknya bangga dengan progresmu. Bangga dengan, nggak boleh bilang you should be proud with. Nggak boleh. Proud harus diikuti of, teman-teman. Gitu ya, teman-teman. Ada nih, ada afraid of, frightened of, scared of, proud of. Remember, itu pasti diikuti of.
Artinya of hanya digunakan untuk ini ya, bro ya?
Apa?
Of ini hanya digunakan untuk afraid, fright, scared, sama proud.
Iya. Ada lagi sih sebenarnya. Nanti Prof kirim di grup ya, teman-teman. Langsung dipakai aja. Afraid of, frightened of, scared of. Kita harus ingat-ingat aja di sini. Kalau teman-teman mau bilang gini, saya bangga kepada mantanku. Berarti gimana, guys? I'm proud of my ex. Okay, so I'm proud of my ex. Okay, that's good. Bro Eda,
Yes.
aman ya, bro?
Man, bro.
Okay. Aman bro, nanti nggak ada istika di situ. Boleh.
Ada.
Ada, aduh. Sorry bro. Okay. Well, so that's one. Biasanya kalau kita bahas itu berada di pojokan.
Ini di sampingnya.
Di sampingnya. Oh my god. Okay. So this one guys ya. Intinya teman-teman remember afraid of, frightened of, scared of, fraud of. Pasti diikuti of. Ya. Sama guys di situ adjective of feelings. Nah, lanjut guys. Setelah ini ada lagi yaitu to. Masih ada 3 nanti guys ya. To. Nah, kalau to dia punya maksud sendiri atau fungsi sendiri teman-teman. Kita menggunakan to ketika apa? Look at the functions. To show the connection, nih guys. To show the connection between people or things. Nih guys teman-teman. Oke. Itu nunjukin ya, nunjukin koneksi hubungan antara manusia dengan barang benda, boleh apapun ya teman-teman, you can just say it. Oke. Kadang-kadang juga antara manusia dan juga benda, atau benda dengan benda, bahkan manusia dengan manusia. Di sini konteksnya samain aja teman-teman, people or things gitu ya, hubungan antara people or things, intinya ada hubungannya. Maksudnya gimana? You can say he's married to the director. How do you say that one guys? Artinya apa guys di sini?
Dia
menikah dengan direktur.
Ya, dia menikah dengan direktur. Nah, ini ada hubungannya antara he, teman-teman ya. Oh, hold on. Oh, okay. Antara he, teman-teman, oke, dan juga director. Ada hubungannya teman-teman ya. Makanya kita married pakainya to, nggak boleh. He's married with the director. No, we can say that. Kita pakainya tuh karena ada hubungannya antara dia, he, sama director. Gitu guys. You got the point? Namanya teman-teman. Oke, lanjut nih guys. Ini juga nih. I'm addicted. Look at that one. Okay. I'm addicted. Okay. To my phone. Artinya apa? Saya
Kecanduan.
Kecanduan. Oh my god. Saya kecanduan HP saya. Berarti kan ada hubungannya antara am, sini guys teman-teman, antara am saya sama my phone hubungannya. I'm saya kan orang nih, ada hubungannya sama HP saya yaitu kecanduan. Gitu guys. He juga sama, ada hubungannya sama director. Hubungannya apa? Koneksinya married. Gitu. I'm allergic to nuts. Saya alergi kacang. Saya alergi kacang. Saya ada hubungannya sama kacang. Nih guys ya. Hubungannya apa? Alergi di situ. Makanya pakainya to. Oke. It's similar to the old one. Ini sama dengan yang lama. Nah, it ada hubungannya sama the old one. Nah, itu guys. Similar. It similar. Pakainya to semua. Intinya to itu dipakai teman-teman to show the connection between people or thing. Menunjukkan hubungan antara people or thing, things or thing, bahkan people with people. Okay. You got it everyone? Now this one. Apakah ada pertanyaan untuk ini guys? Anyone has a question? Agak nih. No? Udah bisa ya? Good job. You don't have a question. And the next part, setelah to ada for. Okay. So look at this one. Kalau di sini, oh ya guys, to dulu. To masih ada nih guys. To yang pertama itu kan menunjukkan hubungan antara orang atau sama benda. Pokoknya connection between. To juga bisa teman-teman digunakan fungsi yang kedua to talk, guys, to talk about someone's behavior toward someone else. Nih guys. Berarti menunjukkan di sini guys, you know, it's like how we say that one. Ini kayak tindakan Di sini tuh selain menghubungkan antara orang dengan benda atau lainnya, itu juga digunakan untuk kita itu ngomong, teman-teman. Ketika kita ngomong itu menunjukin hubungan perilaku seseorang terhadap orang lain. Langsung ke contoh nih. They were really friendly to me. Mereka sangat ramah kepadaku. Nah, di sini kan menunjukkan sikap, behavior, someone's behavior, sikapnya seseorang terhadap orang lain. Sikapnya si mereka kepadaku itu gimana? Friendly, ramah. Tunjukin sikap, kita pakainya to juga. Oke, lanjut nih. Was he nice to you? Apakah dia nice, baik nih kepadamu? Nah, berarti menunjukkan guys sikapnya si dia sama kamu gimana? Oh, nice. Sikap, behavior. Oke. Yang kedua, ketiga, he always polite to everyone. Dia selalu sopan kepada semua orang. Sikapnya dia ke semua orang gimana? Polite, sopan. Nah, di sini kita pakainya to juga. Someone's behavior. Sikap seseorang. She was very rude to the waiters. Dia sangat kasar kepada
pelayan.
pelayan. Sikapnya dia ke pelayan gimana? Tindakan sikapnya rude to. Got it? Jadi kita bisa simpulkan adjektif diikuti to itu ada dua tipe. Tipe pertama menjelaskan hubungan antara people, connecting between people or things. Oke, yang kedua talk about someone's behavior towards someone else, menunjukkan sikap seseorang terhadap orang lain. Got it? Aman ya teman-teman di sini? Ini untuk to teman-teman. Oke, tinggal digunakan sesuai fungsinya masing-masing. Nah, lanjut nih guys. Ada beberapa yang tidak mempunyai pattern, tidak ada aturannya tadi. Kita kan tips ya untuk penggunaan kayak tadi. Kalau ini guys ada dua yaitu for dan juga in. Kayak konteksnya kayak of tadi guys. Oke. Jadi mau gak mau kita harus hafal kayak afraid of tadi, part of. Yang pertama for good. Good for, good itu mau gak mau harus diikuti for. Tadi kok good at Profik? Karena di sini tidak jelasin tentang skill atau abilities. Kalau jelasin tentang skill atau abilities, itu pasti pakai at tadi. I'm good at math. Nah, kan ability. Di sini kan nggak jelasin itu, makanya pakainya for. Good for. Exercise is good for you. Artinya apa? Olahraga baik untukmu. Stress is bad for you. Stress
Tidak baik untukmu.
tidak baik, buruk untukmu. Iya. The town is famous for its cheese. Kota terkenal
dengan
keju. Oke. Responsible, good diikuti for, bad diikuti for, famous for, famous diikuti for juga, teman-teman. Responsible yang sudah dipakai nih pasti diikuti for. Tanggung jawab. I'm responsible for the financial side of the business. Saya tanggung jawab di
Business.
ya, oke.
Bagian
Financial, bagian keuangan dalam
Keuangan.
bisnis gitu guys ya. Nah, responsible harus diikuti for juga. Itu ya. Gak ada aturannya, kita harus ingat aja. Gitu guys. Got it everyone-nya di sini. Oke. Stress is bad for you. Kalau teman-teman jelasin skill ya, saya buruk atau nggak baik dalam matematika, skill berarti I'm bad at math. Itu pakainya at karena nunjukin skill dan kita mau ngomongin skill atau ability. Kalau di luar itu langsung pakainya for. Oke. I will leave the meeting. Okay. That's okay, Sis Jessica. Get well soon. Thank you for coming ya. Oke, check your rest, sis. Take care yourself. Oke, ini for teman-teman. Ada good for, bad for, famous for, and also responsible for. Oke, lanjut guys. The last part, yang terakhir. Ini juga gak ada aturannya, kita menghafal saja. tertarik, interested, diikuti in. Interested in. Habis itu experience, pengalaman, diikuti in. Involved, terlibat, itu diikuti in juga. She is interested in the project. Dia tertarik di project ini. Pakainya in. Gak boleh she is interested at atau about. Just say tertarik in. Interested in. They want someone who's experienced in design. I didn't want to get involved in the argument. Got it, everyone? Kita ingat aja kalau ini, guys. Yang diingat tadi ada of, ada for, ada in. Yang lainnya ada syarat-syaratnya kita pelajari tadi. Oke, teman-teman, di sini apakah ada pertanyaan? Anyone has a question so far?
For now.
Aman ya, teman-teman?
Itu di belakangnya harus selalu ed ya?
Apa? Bro
Itu
Jijis,
di belakang
belakangnya
innya itu harus selalu ed.
ed. What is ed? Oh, no. Okay.
Oh, bukan.
It depends. It depends, bro. Tergantung. Memang interested itu sifat ya, adjektif. Kita belajar ini hari Rabu nanti, bro. Oke. Nah, hari Rabu atau besok ya? Hari Rabu, guys. Hari Rabu. Nah, ini nanti kita belajar adjektif diikuti ed. Adjektif itu nggak harus diikuti ed. Ada yang diikuti verb ing, ada yang ed juga, ada yang enggak ya. So, it is time. Interested pasti ada ed-nya. Interested in, experienced, involved. Itu. Oke, bro Jijis, namanya.
Oke.
Ada lagi pertanyaan, teman-teman? Ya, aman semuanya ya. Okay. So good, everyone. So this is our topic we have been learning so far. And the next, everyone. Okay. Hari ini kita nggak ada conversation atau breakout room, guys. Nyaman aja. Si Sophia, where have you been? Dari mana nih, Sophia?
Sorry, just back home.
Oh, abis main padel, bro, sis. Oke. Kayak just link aja. Oke. Wow.
Kayak siling.
That's it. It is one. Oke. Teman-teman, nanti sis Sophia bisa tonton videonya ya. Karena kalau ketinggalan, oke. That's it. Oke, teman-teman, kita belajar adjective preposition. So, beserta fungsi-fungsinya. Nah, Bro Fikri nanti kirim di grup ya. Kan banyak ya adjektif itu, guys. Gak hanya ini aja. Hold on, Bro Fikri kirim di grup. Teman-teman bisa pakai nih. Hold on. What is the group? Oh, ini dia. Bentar, guys. Bro Fikri cari dulu grupnya. Kok gak ada? Oh, ini. Oke. So, guys, ini Bro Fikri kirim di grup kelas ya. Oke. So, dicek itu, guys. Teman-teman bisa diartikan. Dicari artinya. Oke. Adjektif diikuti ed ya. Bentar, guys. Wow. Banyak banget nih. Oh, ini dia. Look at this, everyone. Ini A sampai Z. The room should be 9. Kok 29 ya? No. Hold on, guys. Oh, ini dia grup barunya. Coba teman-teman dicek di grup kelas di WA. Di Bro Fikri kirim. Oke. Banyak ya. Banyak banget, guys. Oke. Banyak banget. Tinggal kita digunakan aja. Oke. Nah, itu kan ada adjektif diikuti sama pasangan masing-masing ya. Fungsinya intinya ketika at, about, sama to itu ada fungsinya sendiri. Ada patch-nya tadi. Untuk of, for, dan in itu nggak ada. Gitu, teman-teman ya. You can just digunakan sesuai fungsinya masing-masing gitu, teman-teman. Oke ya. So guys, I think that's gonna be enough. Coba before we jump to the next, I have like exercising for you. Bro Fikri panggil satu-satu. Oke, sis Manzo. Manzo di bawah Bro Fikri langsung muncul nih. She's interested bla 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 buying the flat A, B, C. Apa?
B.
Are you sure?
Hold on.
Are you sure? The answer is B.
B ya.
Good job, B. Bener banget, Sis Manzo. Harus yakin, Sis Manzo. Okay, that's good. So, interested itu diikuti in. Ya, terakhir. Gak ada aturannya, memang harus menghafal. Interested dari pabriknya sono diikuti in. Oke, interested in. Itu teman-teman ya. That's it, everyone. Lanjut, guys. Sis Manzo sudah. I want to go with Bro Gigis. The second one, Bro Gigis.
Okay.
That's your turn. I'm a bit nervous, blah, 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 going somewhere. So different. So what the answer?
Oh, yang tadi ada penyebab ya.
Good analyze. Bagus nih. Berarti jawabannya apa? About?
Ya.
Are you sure?
Nervous true.
Iya, nervous.
Iya, nervous about, guys. Karena ada penyebabnya, bener bro. Oke.
Oh, different.
Iya, ya. About tadi kan ada adjective of feelings. Pertama, adjektifnya feelings. Nervous kan feeling nih. Habis itu ada penyebabnya, feeling itu muncul. Nervous itu muncul penyebabnya apa? Going somewhere so different. Berarti pakai about. Good job, see bro. Nice
Okay.
analyze it.
Thank you.
Okay. And then see Sophia. What about you? The activities will be similar what we did last year. Similar? Okay, apa nih?
The activity will be similar. What we
Perbandingan.
will be similar.
Si Sophia. What's that? What? Do you know?
See,
With?
yeah.
All right. Okay. The answer should be
True.
B. B, guys. B. Kenapa, guys? The activity will be similar. Connection. With similar to what we did last year. Memang artinya itu dengan ya, teman-teman. Tapi kita pakainya to, bukan with. Oke, karena ada menjelaskan connection between people or thing. Aktivitas, ya guys ya, hubungan aktivitas sama apa yang kita lakuin tahun. Ada hubungannya nih, connections. So we can use it. Oke, pakainya to, similar to. Good job. Sis. Oke, lanjut nih. I wanna go with Bro Iswandi. He wants to be involved. Blah, blah, blah. Making the decision. What about this?
I want to be involved about making decision.
About? Are you sure?
Making decision.
Involved?
Sure.
The answer should be in. Bro Iswandi. Iya. In. Kenapa? Involved itu harus diikuti in. Bro Iswandi. Oke. Kan tadi, di akhir tadi. Look at this, Bro Iswandi. Nih. Aja itu diikuti in tadi mana nih? Ini. Ada interested in, experience in, involved in. Ya kan? Ya. Kita harus menghafalnya, guys. Itu harus in ya. Ingat aja involve itu diikuti in.
Ya.
That's correct, bro.
Alright.
Okay. Good job, bro. Okay. Lanjut nih. Bro Gigis sudah ya? Bro sudah. Si Sandia. What about you? She's angry not being invited to the dinner.
Is angry.
Mani.
I choose C, off.
Off? Okay. That's the answer is about. About, si Sandia. Kenapa? About. Ini guys. Angry. Adjektifnya.
Ada
kata sifatnya
penyebabnya.
itu sama adjektifnya ya the feeling. Habis itu penyebab dia marah itu ada not being invited. Gak diundang, gak diajak makan malam, dia itu marah. Makanya she is angry about. Okay, got it? Apanya? Okay, itu off. Okay, about ya. Okay. That's good. Nice. Lanjut guys, and I want to go. Sisling. What about you? Sisling? Hey, bentar guys. Bentar. Okay. What about this time? Nih, sis. Hold on. I'm very proud. Blah blah you. Oh. Apa sisling? Proud? Apa nih? A, B, C. Bahagia. Proud. Bangga.
Bangga kepadamu.
Kepadamu.
B.
What Sisling? Coba Sisling jawab dulu. Apa? Sebisa Sisling. Kira-kira apa? Off. The answer should be off. Iya, off. Jawab benar Sisling. Jangan ragu Sisling. Kenapa? Kita nggak ada aturannya. Dari sononya memang proud itu diikuti off. Ada guys, frightened of, scary of, afraid of, proud of. Itu diikuti sama of ya teman-teman.
Yeah, proud
Got
of.
it? Yeah, proud of. Okay. Okay guys ya. I think that's it everyone. Proud of. Okay, lanjut nih guys. The next part I wanna go with tadi sudah. Sisnidia. What
Yes,
about you?
bro.
Yeah, she's responsible, blah blah blah, hood and safety.
Maybe.
Okay.
A for Lydia. What's the answer?
Tunggu.
She's responsible. Tadi responsible.
Responsible.
In help. B.
That should be
Maybe in.
In. Yes, the answer is for.
For ya.
Lydia. Iya, responsible itu pasti pasangannya sama for. Kalau to bro Vic, boleh nggak? Boleh kalau konteksnya itu ada hubungannya, ya, connection between people or things. Kalau tadi kan ini nggak ada ya, nggak ada hubungannya teman-temannya. Ya teman-teman langsung aja ke for, gitu guys. Responsible for health and safety. Kita hafal aja guys, responsible pasti for. Ada rumusnya ya, dari pabriknya seperti itu. Good job, thank you so much Lydia. And then what about the other one? Says Bro Enda. Hey Bro Enda. He's allergic. Blah blah blah. Seafood.
Allergic.
Alergi. Tadi ada
Maybe
gimana nih? Two?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
That's my answer.
Okay,
The
so
corn.
the answer is B. Good job, Brenda. Nice. Alergi karena ada hubungan. Gimana bro tangannya? Oke. Oke. Kayak udah tunggu. Oke. That's good guys. Ada hubungannya dia sama seafood ya guys ya. Dia ada hubungannya connection antara seafood. Alergi pasti tuh alergi seafood. Kita nggak boleh he is allergy with seafood, tapi tuh ada connection tadi. Good job, bro. Nice, bro. Nice job. And what about the other one? Ini yang belum Bro Vicky panggil. Sis Aima, what about you? They are interested. Blah blah blah. Our project. Tertarik. Sis Aima.
They are interested about our project.
About? That should be in. Ya, in. Tertarik itu pasti pakai in, guys. You got it, Jess? Iya. Interested itu pasti pakainya in. They are interested in our project. Iya, guys. Oke. Itu nggak ada aturannya, kita harus menghafal. Ingat-ingat aja. Dari pabrik yang sono memang interested diikuti sama in, guys. Itu ya. Good job, Miss Aima. Okay. And then I want to go with Sis Nia. Halo. Sis Nia. Dibuka dulu mikrofonnya. I'm addicted. Blah, blah, blah. That new series on Channel 4. Addicted.
I think B.
B2, correct. Addicted ya guys ya. 2, karena ada connection antara saya hubungannya sama itu addicted gitu guys ya. Sama the new series. Oke, on Channel 4. Nah, dan tak pakainya tuh. Guys ya, ada hubungannya. Okay. So, the next part we have like this one. Burich, what about you?
Yeah.
Sugar is bad, blah, blah, blah. Your teeth. Ooh, what about this?
B.
B is a
Yeah.
4. Hold on.
Yeah, it's a
This
4.
is 4. Ya, benar banget. Pakainya 4, teman-teman ya. Bad itu pakainya 4. Ingat tadi, guys ya. Bad itu pakainya 4. Tadi kan? Nah, selain good, itu juga bad juga. Tapi kalau konteksnya teman-teman jelasin skill, itu berarti pakainya at. Karena ini nggak ada jelasin skill atau ability, pakainya for. Sugar is bad for your teeth. Good job, bro. Okay, the next part, guys, I want to go with, what about you? Si Jasmine. The last. I'm really excited. Blah blah blah. The new house. What's the answer?
About
Excited about. Yeah, good job. It's about. Saya sangat tertarik pada rumah yang baru. Tertarik ya guys ya, pakai about karena pertama excited itu adalah adjective of feeling, diikuti penyebab dia excited apa? Karena rumah baru. So, excited about. Got it everyone? Anyone has a question this time? Bisa semua ya? Okay. So, okay, apa? Ada pertanyaan?
Nggak bisa.
Gimana guys?
Naysila, bro.
Ya si Jasmine gimana?
Naysila, bro.
belum.
Oh.
Belum kebagian.
Oh ya guys, so
Ya,
the
belum.
question is finished. Oke, pertanyaannya habis si Nazila. Next time ya. Bersolehan Brazil. Oke. Oke, simple guys. Iya. Oke, benar juga. Oke. That's the proper guys ya. Ada berapa guys tadi? Cuma ada, oh ada 12 aja pertanyaannya. Ya, gimana bro? Rizwadi gimana?
Sophia belum tadi, Sophia.
Oh,
Sophia
Sophia
udah.
sudah.
Sophia nggak ngerti.
Sophia duluan.
Oh,
That's
dulu.
right. Okay.
Depan.
That's it everyone
Nggak
ya.
dengar tadi, nggak dengar.
Itu guys ya
Iya.
teman-teman. This is our topic everyone, and this is our topic talking about adjective with preposition. Okay. Tinggal dipakai aja teman-teman. Use it. Okay. Jadi sini tadi Bro Vicky bisa simpulkan at ya guys ya, at itu jelasin adjective diikuti at itu jelasin tentang skill atau abilities. At gitu. Kalau about itu pertama yang ditandai cara menganalisisnya adjektifnya itu harus adjective feeling. Ya guys ya, dan dua ada penyebabnya. Ada penyebabnya feeling itu muncul. Kalau of itu of tadi guys ya, pertama ada connection, ada hubungan antara people or ini guys ya, people or what. Tetap sama ya. Yang pertama of itu kan ya adjektifnya juga feeling juga, cuma di situ jelasin ada hubungannya ya guys ya. So hold on. Of itu gak ada hubungannya guys, lebih ke memang harus menghafal aja gitu guys ya. Ada afraid of, a part of, tuh teman-teman. Okay, that's one. Itu adalah of ya teman-teman. And then kalau ini guys ada afraid of, frightened of, scared of. Adjektifnya itu tentang feeling juga sama kayak about, cuma di sini nggak ada penyebabnya. Oke, lebih ke kita menghafal aja. Ada afraid of, frightened of, scared of, brought of. Gitu. Oke. So, kalau to itu connection between people or thing. Ada hubungannya pokoknya. Dan to yang kedua itu someone's behavior, tindakan seseorang terhadap sesuatu. Itu ada dua jenis, guys. Oke, adjektifnya. Yang pertama jelasin hubungan, yang kedua jelasin sikap seseorang terhadap sesuatu. Oke, yang lainnya kita tinggal ngafal. For, hafalin. Within juga gak ada aturannya, kita memang harus mengingatnya. Gitu teman-teman. Oke guys ya, this is overall our topic. Today we have been learning about adjective followed by preposition. Let's use it. And tomorrow, guys, we're going to discuss about reading. Besok kita membaca. Okay? So that's why the topic is women's. Ya guys ya. I think you will tomorrow will be interesting topic, everyone. Okay. Dan besok kita sudah mulai this practice di breakout room ya teman-teman. So enjoy it for tomorrow. Don't miss the class. Okay guys, I think that's gonna be enough. And this one. And before we end, seperti biasa ya guys ya. Hari ini gak ada kata-kata. Besok aja kata-katanya. But I give you the riddle. Gue kasih tebak-tebakan nih.
Besok aja kata. Tebak-tebakan.
Look at this one. Tadi Bro Vicky belum kasih tebak-tebakan ya? Hold on. Oh, this one. I don't know. This is fruit or vegetables. Oke. Ini buah atau mungkin teman-teman bisa bilang juga sayuran. Sayuran apa atau buah-buah apa yang dimakan itu semakin banyak, guys. Terlalu banyak gitu, guys ya. Makan. Kalau dimakan itu bikin terlalu banyak gitu.
Anggur.
Anggur? Okay, very easy. Too much. Too much. Yeah, too much, guys. Too much.
Too much,
Okay.
too much.
How did you get that one, Berit? That's easy. Too much. Mau makan apa? Too much. Tomat. Terlalu banyak. Okay. Too much.
Banyak
Okay.
tomat.
Great one. And by the way, guys, tomat itu buah atau sayur, guys?
Buah.
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 Sayur.
Buah. Karena dia
Sayur.
berbiji.
Oh, that's good. Oh, ya yang berbiji berarti itu
Sayur lah.
buah ya. Berarti terong itu juga buah.
Iya.
Ya.
Sayur.
Sayur. Ada di tukang sayur soalnya.
Sayur terong.
Mana, guys?
Terong itu sayur.
Adanya di tukang sayur.
Ada di tukang sayur. Oke. Oh iya, teman-teman pernah lihat, guys? You know, guys, jualan buah tapi ada terongnya. Ada, guys?
Ada terong Belanda.
Bapak-bapak lah.
Okay. Well, guys, we have done it, everyone. I think you know what. Ya, guys ya. I don't know, guys, itu buah atau
Bro, besok
sayur,
cari
ya?
yang susah, bro. Tebak-tebakannya yang jangan yang gampang-gampang, bro.
Boleh.
Ini aja
Boleh.
teman dari Kak.
Okay, that's it, great, everyone. Okay, thank you for coming, everyone. Teman-teman juga boleh ya yang mau kasih tebak-tebakan. No problem. Okay, don't worry. Okay, guys, I think that's it's gonna be enough. Kita ketemu besok ya. Okay. Bro Manso siapa itu, Bro Rich?
Baru
Okay.
aja udah lupa dia lagi
Ya,
ingatan.
aduh, ini. Oke.
Manjo.
Miss
Orang
Panso.
Depok.
Okay, guys, kita ketemu besok ya. Thank you for coming. Okay, and the last I say, speaking partner.
We
We
are
are the best.
What's password, guys?
Smile.
Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Happy Friday.
Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday.